Here's a quick tip on how to edit phone image to look like an image from a professional camera. Because phone image usually have low resolution, the first thing to do is to resize the image and increase the resolution. To do this, we'll first select Edit in the menu, then select Preference, then Technology Preview, then Enable Preserve 2.0 Upscale and click OK. The next thing is to duplicate the layer, then go to the image and image size. Under the image size dialog box, make sure you check the resample, then increase the resolution to 300. You will notice the width and the height adjusting automatically. Make sure the measuring unit is in pixel. Reduce the noise like this, then click OK. Next is to remove all visible blemish. By using your patch tool like this, then you press D to deselect. Next is to use the frequency separation. You duplicate the clean layer and call this low frequency and this high frequency. Then group it. You then hide the high frequency layer and select the low frequency layer. Then go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and adjust the radius to around 7 or 8. Let me use 7.4. Then click OK. We then reveal the high frequency layer, then go to Image, Apply Image, select the low frequency layer and the blending option at Subtract. We leave the setting like this, then click OK. On the layer panel, we then change the blend mode to linear light on the high frequency layer. Then hide the high frequency and select the low frequency. Then pick our mixer brush and brush in the direction of the face like this. And other parts of the skin. After brushing, we preview the before and after and make more adjustments if necessary like this. We pick our laser tool, select part of the face, we go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, then increase the radius 3 times the previous one like this. Then we click OK. We then apply this setting on all parts of the skin like this. I'm going to fast forward this so that we can see. The end result. This is before and this is after. Before and after. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like. You can also watch these videos as you keep learning and creating. Thank you.